Hey guys, today I am talking about how I got my hair to grow past my boobs. Sounds really weird, but it's been a goal of mine forever. My hair has never been this long, and I'm like, I can't even believe that this is a thing for me because it's usually, it'll get like to right here. I don't know if you guys can see that far. Maybe even right here where it's healthy, and then once it gets longer, I would have to cut it. So the fact that my hair is this long is a big deal to me. So I'm just gonna go through my at-home care, what I do at the salon, how I sleep with my hair, and just some tips and tricks that I've picked up over the last, it's probably been about a year and a half. So I've been growing it out for a while. So the first thing I do every single night, unless I know I'm washing my hair the next day, I sleep with my hair in a bun. I'm going to teach you guys how to do this because it's so easy and I feel like it's made such a big difference in my hair. What used to happen is I'd sleep on my hair and then I'd wake up and it'd be like kinked or frizzy, and then I'd have to wash my hair sooner because I couldn't even try to straighten that area out because the hair would feel fried. So sleeping with my hair up is really nice because if my hair is straight and I sleep with it in a bun, I wake up and I look like I have a blowout. Like it kind of has this nice, like the edges are kind of turned in a little bit. And then if my hair is curly, then I wake up and I still have waves the next day. So all I need is like a little bit of dry shampoo, which I actually will also do the night before. And then I can just go about my day instead of having to restyle my hair. So I'm going to teach you how to do the sleep bun. Okay, you literally just need one thing, and it's a crocodile clip. And these are so great because if you look closely, this part moves. So it holds your hair because it has teeth, but it doesn't leave a crease in your hair. So it's like amazing, because usually if I sleep with my hair in a bun and I use a hair tie, I'll wake up and I'll have a crimp in my hair, but not with this. So what you do, put your hair up. Okay, so you grab all of your hair and put it up as high as you possibly can get it. You can still do this with short hair, but some of the hair might be falling out the bottom. And then you just take your hair and twist it. So as if you were doing a top knot, and then just twist it lightly. You don't want this to be too tight. It's uncomfortable, but it also will leave more of a crease in your hair. And then you just clip it on. And the reason I put it on the top of my head is so that I can sleep and lay in any direction and it's not hitting this. And that's it. That's a sleep bun. This is how I sleep with my hair every night. So another thing about sleeping with your hair up is it allows me to go longer between washes. And so I actually use less shampoo and conditioner because I'm not having to wash my hair as much to try to smooth it out. So I don't feel as guilty investing in expensive or higher quality products because I'm not using as much product. So the next thing that I think has made a huge difference is the hair brushes that I use. So I used to use a regular wet brush and it was okay, but I felt like it wasn't enough for my hair. And then one day I was getting a blowout and the stylist was using this marula oil hairbrush. I love this brush so much, I wrote a blog post about it. It is that good. It's $50, which is crazy, and honestly, like it's already starting to come apart, it's chipping, it's just, it really hasn't held up for how much it cost, but it is so soft. The bristles are just so gentle on your hair that I do think it has helped my hair a lot. So I was gonna buy another one of these, and then I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try to find a dupe because that's expensive and it didn't last. So I ended up buying this Wet Brush Pro. So it's a little bit different than the standard wet brush, and it's not quite as good as the Marula one, but it's still really good. And something you guys need to do when you brush your hair is start at the bottoms and work your way up. So work out all of the tangles down here first, because if you're starting up here, you're just going to get stuck and like be ripping and pulling and breaking. So starting at the bottom just really gives your hair a chance to loosen itself up first. So something else that I changed was I stopped using drugstore shampoo and conditioner, and I started investing in my hair products. Okay, so my two favorite shampoos, I have the Unite 7 Seconds and then the Peter Lamas Avocado and Olive Oil shampoos. And these are both just so hydrating. They smell amazing, they feel great, and I just feel like it actually works. I like a shampoo that lathers. I know that some people say it has things in it that's bad for your hair, but I don't feel like I'm clean unless my hair is lathered and like rinsed. So I really, really do love these, and I think they've made a huge difference in the strength of my hair. And then for conditioner, I use the True Soft Conditioner from Maria Nila. And you guys, this has made my hair so soft. It feels like silk, and it just, oh, I just can't, like, I'm obsessed with this stuff. I actually don't love the shampoo. I just like this conditioner from her. So it's okay to mix and match products. Like, you can like one from one brand, another from another brand. That's totally fine. Do what works for you. And this conditioner is seriously life-changing. So what I'll do with conditioner is I put it on my hair, and I actually put it on my roots because I bleach my hair and it needs hydration up there too. And I get oily, but I can still go 3 days without washing my hair with dry shampoo, so I'm fine. So I put this all the way on my hair, and then I have another hairbrush that I keep in my shower. So this one doesn't, it's like, it dries really fast, and I just brush it through. So same thing, start on the bottom and work your way up. Brush it through, leave it on for a minute, and then rinse it out. And I also use hair masks a lot. So I use the Peter Lamas Youth Revival. This is the 5-oil hair mask treatment 1 week, and then the next week I'll use the Formula 18 hair mask. And these seriously just make your hair so soft and feel so hydrated and happy and healthy. And then I'm starting to reincorporate the at-home Olaplex treatment number 3. So I'll do this once a week too. It's just kind of inconvenient because you have to do it on damp hair. And so you like get your head wet, kind of dry it off, put on the Olaplex, leave it for at least 10 minutes. You can sleep in it. I just have a problem sleeping with damp hair, so I usually will just do it during the day and then take a shower. And then you can use shampoo, conditioner, mask, whatever you want. This is really good for rebuilding the bonds of your hair. So it's like fixing your hair from the inside out. So Olaplex doesn't really make my hair feel soft. I know some people say it does, and that's great for them, but it doesn't work for me. So that's why I use masks as well as Olaplex. And sometimes I'll even do it the same day. So I'll do like Olaplex, shampoo, condition, or swap out conditioner for a mask, and that's totally fine. So when I get out of the shower, I use the Unite 7 Seconds Detangling Spray. And my hair doesn't even get that tangly. I just like this because it's a really nice leave-in treatment as well. So it helps protect from heat, protect from like chlorine or the sun, anything else. This is just going to be really good to keep your hair healthy. And it smells amazing. So I've also started incorporating collagen into my routine probably within the last year or so. I really like Further Food Collagen because it blends really easily. It's a women-owned company. It only has 29 calories. It has 7 grams of protein. So I'll usually just mix this into my morning coffee and be set for a few hours because I don't feel hungry. But they just came out with this one actually. This is their chocolate collagen peptides plus reishi mushroom. And this chocolate is like, oh my gosh, it's like chocolate ice cream. It just tastes so rich and is so delicious. Like it doesn't taste like a protein shake. It just tastes like decadence. So I love this one. So lately I've been having this more than that one. And I mix it in my coffee or I'll mix it with smoothies. For me, I've noticed that since I've added collagen into my routine, my nails seem healthier, my hair grows faster, it's been able to grow longer. I think that just the integrity of my hair feels better. And I just think all of these things combined has helped that. Okay, so last step, when I'm at the hair salon, I use Olaplex number 1 and 2. These are professional grade treatments. I have them at my house because I actually went with my hairdresser to the beauty supply store and I bought some for myself. So my hairdresser adds this to the color as she's putting it on my hair. Like she mixes it in the bowl and then just applies it all together. And this is just helping my hair. It's like treating it as it's bleaching it so it doesn't get quite as fried. And then when I'm rinsing out the color, she uses number 2 on me and just leaves it on like a hair mask. So number 2, you can't buy anywhere. You have to go to the beauty supply store. Number 3 is a little bit more diluted, but it's basically the same thing. It's just helping rebuild those bonds. Another thing I should note is that I am blonde. So I dye my hair every 5 to 6 weeks. It's a lot. And I've been able to incorporate these changes and my hair is so healthy. It's grown so long. All right, my last tip for you guys today is to switch up your hair ties. So I can't remember the last time I used a regular elastic one. I use these spiral ones now, And then also scrunchies. So I just find that one, they don't crease as much as a regular hair tie does, and two, they're just a lot more gentle. I find that the thicker the spiral, the less tangly it gets. The smaller spiral ones get so tangly and I end up ripping my hair out. So just so you guys know, try these. They also make these inside of a scrunchie, and those are the best because they don't crease and they just feel so good. So really, I would just say investing a little bit more in your hair products, knowing that maybe that jumbo bottle of Pantene Pro V isn't actually doing your hair any favors. It might be saving you some money, but ultimately, if your goal is to have long, healthy hair, try investing a little bit more in quality products and just treating your hair a lot more gently. So again, switching up how you brush it, using more gentle hair ties, using masks, and just treating your hair like a baby. All right, you guys, that's all my hair tips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video informative, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you next time. And also, if you use any of the products I mentioned, or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.